Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about heat. Heat is nothing but hot or warm. In our day-to-day life, we are using cold and hot substance. For example, ice cream is a cold substance. Spoon in a teacup may be warm. Fruit juice, cold substance. Handle of frying pan, it is hot. So, heat is defined as temperature. Temperature, a reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. It is used to find out the hotness of the substance or person in an accurate way. The instrument used to measure temperature is thermometer. Thermometer. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Many thermometers are available nowadays in the market. Some are clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. First, we see the clinical thermometer. The thermometer which measures our body temperature is
Doctors
called
are
clinical
using in the
thermometer.
hospital.
No, that is clinical thermometer. It is used to measure our body temperature. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Let's see the structure of thermometer. It consists of long, narrow, uniform glass tube. The pulp containing mercury, when you are keeping the thermometer inside our mouth, what will happen? The thermometer in the bulb rise to the particular temperature. It has Fahrenheit and also Celsius scale. It reads the temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. In the scale of the bigger mark, read as 1 degree and there are 5 divisions in between them. One small division can read as 0.2 degrees Celsius. Then we move on to the laboratory thermometer. The scale of laboratory thermometer is generally from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Same like clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer also have pulp containing mercury and capillary tube. It has Celsius scale. Laboratory thermometer are used in labs to determine the temperature of chemical substance. Precautions while using thermometer. Wash using antiseptic solution before and after use. When you are evaluating the value of temperature, the thermometer value must be below 35 degrees Celsius. Handling the thermometer with care. It may fall on the ground or hit with any hot substance, it may broken. In addition, when you are measuring the temperature using laboratory thermometer, you should not touch the pulp of the thermometer because our body temperature may interfere in the value. And also, while calculating the value, the laboratory thermometer must be immersed into the substance because it does not have king. When you are taken out from the substance, the temperature, the mercury immediately fall into the pulp. Laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted, while evaluating. In laboratory thermometer, the pulp of the thermometer does not touch the surface of the container. It should be just above the surface of the container. Next, digital thermometer. Nowadays, we are using digital thermometer for our personal use and also in hospitals. It is very easy to handle. Mercury is a toxic substance. If it is broken, it is difficult to dispose. That's why we are moving to the digital thermometer. It doesn't have mercury. Then Maximum and minimum thermometer is used to know the day weather reports. In TV news, they say about day-to-day temperature like partially cloudy, hot sunny day, or today maximum 39 degrees Celsius, minimum 35 degrees Celsius. Next, we are going to see transfer of heat. So, the transfer of heat is taken place by three methods: conduction, convection, radiation. These are three processes how is heat transferred to solid, liquid and gases. One is conduction. The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. See, take one iron rod and place the iron rod under the flame. It heated up. After some time, if you touch the other end of the iron rod, it gets hotter because the heat transfers from one end to the another end. Conduction takes place only in solid. The material which allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductors. Example of conductors: aluminium, iron, copper. The material which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are poor conductor or insulator. Now, move on to the second one is convection process. When water is heated, the water near the flame gets hot. Hot water rises up. The cold water from the sides moves down towards the source of the heat. This water also gets hot and rise, and water from the sides moves down. This process continues till the whole water gets heated. This mode of heat transfer is known as convection. For an example, take water in a container. Place it under the heat source. First, when water is heated, the water near the flame gets hotter. Then the hot water rises up. The cold water from the sides moves down towards the heat source. In the same way, all the water molecules get heated up and reaches the boiling point, that is 100 degrees Celsius. The last process is the radiation. In this, heat transfer by radiation is invisible to the eyes and not affected by airflow. From the sun, we get heat and light by radiation process. No medium is required for the process. See, we sit in front of the heat source, that is firing wood. You can able to feel the warmness from the heat source, isn't it? Yes. Then we see two phenomenon is observed in coastal areas, that is sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze, what happen in the sea breeze? No, when the land air is heated up with the help of sunlight, it goes towards the sea side. Simultaneously, sea air reaches the land. We feel the coolness of the air. The cool air is moving from the sun. We getting the cool air, that is called sea breeze. It happen in daytime. Sea breeze are blowing during the daytime. Then land breeze is just reverse of sea breeze. During the night time, the land is cool compared to that of sea. So, sea has warm air and then land has cool air from the sea. The hot air is moving towards the land getting cool air. So, it is called as land breeze. Land breeze blow during the night time. Then, color plays an important role in absorption of heat. For example, take two containers. One is coated with white paint, another is black. Keep under the sunlight After some time, if you notice the white painted container containing water is warm, but in black container is very hot. From this we come to know black absorb more heat compared to that of other colors. That's why during summer we use light color clothes. It absorbs less heat. In winter we use dark color clothes. It absorbs heat and makes us comfortable without shivering. I hope you understood the lesson. Revise well. Thank you all. See you in the next video. Bye.